So hi guys, I hope you guys have had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed your December holidays and Happy New Year. So I hope this year is going to be a good year and actually the best. So today is on date 5. It's the first week of January. So I'm going to start off my trading week this week. And we are going to be trading all the way to the end of the year. So I want to share with you my trading plan and what I intend to do. My trading plan and whatever I intend to be risking. So first of all, let me take you through my last year's encounter with prop firms. So I have been trying to get funded with various firms. For instance, I bought my first account from Next around July. I bought 2 accounts at the same time and I started trading. So I didn't have so much information about prop firms, so I messed up along the way and I blew the accounts after 2 months. So to make it short, last year I bought around 4 prop firms. I blew 3 and I'm still having an account on Fadin Pips, a one-step account. That one I've not blown it. I'm still trading on it. So this is what I've learned from my past experience. So I've learned that I should not be taking a lot of time in the evaluation phase. So for this year, I'll not be spending a lot of time trading in those phases. So for example, like last year, I used to risk 0.5% on a 5k account. So that means I was risking around 25 USD per trade, 25 USD to 30 USD per trade. So that made me take a lot of time to pass or blow an account. So for this year, I've changed my plan and I'm going to be risking 2% per trade. So I'll be risking 100 USD per trade. So I want to be passing an account within a month, or I either brew an account within a month or pass an account within a month. So that is how my plan for this year looks like. So I've already purchased an account, 5k challenge from Godfather Trader, and yeah, I'm going to be trading that account here on YouTube. So let me show you my trading plan. So guys, this is the account from GFT. It's a 5k account. So you can see our maximum drawdown is going to be 50 USD per day, and maximum drawdown is going to be 10%, which is 500 USD. So yeah, I'm going to be risking 100 USD per trade. So I'm going to be recording my trades here. So you can see I've written here 5k GFT challenge, 20x challenge. So I'm going to be journaling all those trades here. These are my terms and conditions. So I'm going to be risking 2% per trade. That means 100 USD per trade. So I'm also going to be taking a maximum of 2 trades per week. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So that's how my trading plan looks like. And yeah, my main goal here is to follow my trading plan, to follow my rules, to follow my strategy, and yeah, wait for results. So I'm going to be giving you guys updates on what happens. Yeah, and I just hope that yeah, everything is going to play out well. So yeah, I wish you all the best this year. I pray and I believe that all shall be well and you're going to make it. So stay tuned and yeah, let's meet on the next video.